Renko
is here. Hey, kids, look.
All right, you'll remember from our last video that we talked about support and resistance. We talked about drawing our lines. And look at this. We've got price right at the resistance line that we talked about in the last video. And if we see a bearish candle, then we think that this price could go down and that it will probably move down to this level down here, this purple level here, the next level. And if it breaks above this level and stays above that level, then we think price is heading to one of these two levels above. That's simple enough. You saw the Renko commercial that I just showed. And I got a request on YouTube from one of our delightful viewers, and he said, hey, can you try this out with Renko candles? So I decided. So I thought to myself, why not just throw the Renko candles up here and see what happens? Check this out. It's all over the place. It's totally messed up, and all the lines no longer matter and no longer, they're just all messed up. So let's do some support and resistance starting from scratch with Renko candles. First thing we'll do is let's save this chart layout. There we go. Got this chart saved. And the next thing we want to do is just make a brand new chart layout. British pound, US dollar. Let's stay on the 60-minute chart. Let's switch over to Renko candles. You can do it with Renko. And let's move back in time with Huey Lewis and the News. Gotta go back in time. Gotta go. I once saw Michael J. Fox walking with his family in New York City, and I yelled out, no joke, run for it, Marty! It's the Libyans! He did not find that amusing. He didn't laugh at my joke. All right, now we've gone back to 2011. Whoa, you can go back pretty far. Okay, here we go. We'll just start drawing horizontal levels of support and resistance where we see marks on the chart. Maybe get some trend lines up on this, all up in this business. Oh yeah. I kind of like the idea of putting a trend line up here, but price only touched that one time. Let's ignore it. And I'm not going to do any trade idea stuff until we get further along in the chart and get lots more lines ready to go. You can see already, though, this purple line right here. Check this out with those Renko candles. You could wait until price hits the... You can do it with Renko. Hey, girls and boys. You can wait till it gets up to this level and then prints a bearish Renko candle. And for that matter, you could do it with the Heineken candles, or other words, the Heiken Ashi candles, which we could do in another video sometime next week. You can wait till they turn bearish or red and then go for the gold, right? I don't think that's really a level of support and resistance. That doesn't look that good. Let's just put it there anyway. You can see there's a bunch of... it's okay. It's not bad. We also don't need any of this volume garbage on our chart. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of stuff we don't need. Let's not put things on our chart just to have more things on our charts. Ooh, look at that. A nice hit up against resistance and then a bearish candle from 59.63 all the way down to 58.25. We don't have any level for a target in there yet. I don't mind that level right there. Ooh, we hit this trend line. Beautiful. Now we're getting, because we have enough lines on our chart, we can start thinking about taking trades. We have bullish candles. We hit our descending trend line. We print a red Renko candle, and then it starts to drop. How are Renko candles made? How are Renko bars calculated? I just Googled it. Renko charts, chart school, stockcharts.com. Invented in Japan. Renko charts ignore time and focus on price changes that meet a minimum requirement. Okay, look it up. You want more information? Look it up. Look at this Rob Booker lookalike on YouTube. What a jerk. Back to the charts. Okay, you can look it up on your own time. I don't care how they're calculated. Once again, what a beautiful idea this is. Wait for price to hit the support or resistance level, and if it just keeps printing red candles, keep the sell trade open, and then boom, it's hit this support level and it starts printing green candles. Go ahead and buy. Get out with some of your profit here and then some of your profit here, and then it rises here but doesn't go all the way, and get out here. Look at this, is becoming an area of support and resistance right here. I think Renko might work better than traditional bars and candles because it's not based on time, it's based on price. Kind of like this idea. Ooh, we got another level right up here. Yeah, we could put a level there. Absolutely spectacular. It's kind of lovely. Now let's start trading. When we hit this level and printed a red candle, we sell. Rises back up, we get out. Prints a red candle, we get in. We've got this as our target. We get out when it prints a green candle. No harm, no foul. And then it's descending into the depths of madness here. You can see red candles printing all along our screen as we go down. And there we got red candles, red candles as we go down. It hits a level of support, prints a green candle, and we buy. Our targets become this level, which is not very much profit, this level, which is the next area of horizontal support and resistance, and this convergence of descending and ascending trend lines. Okay, great. We get all the way up to here. Wonderful. Magnificent. Oh, now you know what we're talking about. We're descending down to this level of support, and we are going to run out of levels. You see here, if it falls further, we ran out of levels. And we never take a buy trade because it never bounces off this level. And there is no level down here. I can't tell where our most recent level of support is. In situations like this, we have to go way back in time and look way back in time on longer time frame charts or just by tightening up the candles and find levels of support or resistance that we can use. And if you don't have any, then you've got to wait for a chart like this to start printing bullish candles. That'll do. Back over here. Thanks for watching, by the way. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you enjoy it. Now let's wait for a green candle at support. There we go. We got a green candle at support. We think we're going to rise to this level here or close to it. And if it drops back down now to this level where it started, we can get out. There we go. It's still printing green candles, so we can stay in. And it starts printing some red candles, so we get out. Or we short it. Stop loss at these levels right up here. We break up higher above those levels. Maybe we go ahead and buy. Of course, our target is now this. I think you see where we're going. I don't know if I need to go much further or if this is now just going to become repetitive. I think some of you are enjoying these videos. I'm getting a lot of feedback that you do like these videos. I'm having the time of my life, and I'll never trade without Renko again. Like the video, subscribe. I'm so glad you're here. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you on the next one.